In this video, I'll show you how to change Starlink Wi-Fi password. So to get started, go ahead and open Starlink. Make sure that you're connected to your Starlink Wi-Fi. So in here, go ahead and open a browser and go to your IP address. So you can also go to the Starlink website and then sign into your account. And then in here, once you're signed into your account, go ahead and click on settings. Select your network name and update the password and then save the changes. Now, if you are using the Starlink app, you also need to connect to your Starlink Wi-Fi network first and then open the Starlink app, click on settings. And then under router configuration, you need to select your current Wi-Fi network, enter your new Wi-Fi name, enter password, and then save. Now, once saved, all connected devices will be disconnected. You'll need to reconnect using the new credentials that you've added. The password won't be shown again, so make sure to save it securely. And that is how you can basically change your Starlink Wi-Fi password.